Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore what Microsoft Copilot is and how to use it as the future of work. As you know, we have this artificial intelligence at our disposal, which, far from being just a simple chatbot, functions as an excellent assistant for our daily tasks. For instance, when using the platform, we can easily integrate and assign documents or files stored in our cloud so that the AI can provide direct support on tasks where we require deeper information. In this case, I'm working within the Microsoft 365 Copilot interface. And if we head over to Outlook, we can see a clear example of its utility when creating a new email, whether it is for corporate purposes or our specific work area. By activating the Copilot button, we can utilize the artificial intelligence through natural language prompts, such as asking it to draft an email regarding our next meeting. Furthermore, the system allows us to interact by adding content from our current work, files, or image from the cache memory, alongside attaching cloud documents. Once the prompt is submitted, we simply wait for Copilot responses to get a fully structured draft that we can use for the email we want to send. We can also leverage this tool to research for specific emails across our workspace and back up certain statements among many other activities. Ultimately, Copilot stands out as an incredible powerful tool due to its seamless integration across Microsoft in applications, truly shaping the future of works. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video on the channel.